Meet the puffin, also known as the sea parrot for its colorful beak and charming appearance. These seabirds are excellent divers, using their wings to fly underwater in search of fish. Puffins nest on rocky cliffs in colonies, digging burrows where they lay a single egg each year. Despite their clumsy takeoffs, they're skillful flyers, reaching speeds of up to 88 kilometers per hour, 55 miles per hour. Unfortunately, puffins face threats like climate change and overfishing, which impact their food supply. Let's protect these fascinating creatures to keep their laughter, like calls, echoing across the coasts.